fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine?
Yo, what's going on, everyone? What's going on? Hope everyone had a fantastic day. Bitcoin continuing up, or trying to continue up here. Once again, another little pump to the upside, man. Nice little move to the upside. We broke 800 EMA slightly. Not a huge day, but we're still kind of at the same level we were earlier today, albeit a slightly higher, like $300 higher than we were earlier today. So let's freaking get busy. Let's talk some charts. We did liquidate my guy Java, so that is a good thing. That is a good thing. If you could smack up the like button, guys, let's smack up the like button to, let's get to 850 likes right off the bat, man. Let's freaking get it. All right, we're going to jump on in here and get started, man. Let's get it. No! No! I'm liquidated! You gotta be freaking kidding me! I got freaking liquidated! No! Shit. This is the first liquidation I had in so long! Good thing it's just a shoe, but... My shoe! My freaking shoe! Good thing I still have my Lambos. I'm shorting from here. I'm shorting. We're gonna go back down. This is not gonna last. We are gonna keep dumping. No, I'm liquidated. Fuck. Shit. I'm out of here. You guys can watch me cry somewhere else. Freaking, it's ridiculous, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. We finally liquidated Java. Finally liquidated Java for the first time. What's going on, man? Happy. We got 420 people in here. So that's some good for some of you guys. We're slightly higher than we were this morning. So let's freaking get it, man. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's get a little pump song going, man. I mean, hey, we're coming up a little bit. Let's get a little pump song in the chat. 21,311. Let's freaking get busy, man. Come on. Let's celebrate a little bit, bro. All right, will last? I don't know. Let's celebrate a little bit. Come on, man. Let's get it. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, man. All right, slight move to the upside here. Nothing crazy. We got to move back up to the local highs, up at about 21,512. So, what can we expect going forward? All right, there's a lot of interesting things on the charts that are kind of showing, quite frankly, that we're at an interesting point, right? We said earlier today how we're at a very, very interesting point. I think we're still at that point, right? We're right up to the previous highs. I had a ETH long in earlier, didn't quite hold it as long as I wanted to, but it did play out pretty well. And now what are we looking at, right? Are we looking to short? Are we looking to take some profits? Are we looking to continue to hold? Are we looking to buy? Let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about it. Let me see what you guys are saying in the chat. Just like old times. What's going on, Spirit Channel? What's going on, Drew? What's up, Kennedy? What's going on, everyone? Happy Friday night. You gotta love Friday nights, man. It's probably the second best night besides Saturday. What's your guys' favorite night in the chat? Let me know. What's your favorite night of the week? I would love to know what your favorite night of the week is. I would probably say Friday night is my favorite night, just because I know Saturday's coming, right? I mean, I know Sunday's coming, and then we're good to go, right? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Slight move that might bar up and your resistance. True. Drew said no trade zone. Yeah, I mean, it's very, very interesting. We got some it's a little bit wonky, guys, because if you look at what we did, right? We were talking about the 200 EMA on the on the 1 hour time frame earlier today. We did get a move and a couple closes back above, but we're not really seeing that, at least yet, right? It can change. We're not really seeing that convincing, move to the upside that's going to blow our socks off, right? We're not seeing that volume come in that's going to blow our socks off up to highs here, right? We want to see some more volume, all right? Quite frankly, we want to see some more volume that breaks us above this previous local high, right? We did get a big wick here, so a big rejection off the previous local high, and now we're kind of just sitting right above this level, all right, with nothing else really going on here. If we zoom out a little bit, could we just be forming another rising wedge to the upside? We know these rising wedges have been great shorting opportunities. Could we be forming a rising wedge on the 1 hour time frame? We have a couple of hits on the top side. We have a couple hits on the bottom side here. The last couple ones did break to the downside, right? Didn't come all the way back down to the target, but did come back down to the downside. So let's watch. Let's see what happens. There's a couple other things pointing to that. We have the hourly stock RSI that's topped out. We have the 4 hour stock RSI that's topped out. All right. So we do have some indicators showing that we might be topped out on this move. All right. So let's pay attention to those, right? Let's not just brush those off. I want to see some volume come in. All right. I want to see some volume in. Hold up. There's no freaking volume on this pump. This is a pump for ants. Do you see the altcoins? Altcoins are literally going nuts. Bitcoin's up 1% and ETH is up 8% on the day. There is zero volume on the Bitcoin chart. Even Dogecoin's up more than Bitcoin. Okay? There is zero volume and zero follow through. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of telling you guys there's no freaking volume. There's no volume on Bitcoin. One of these times I feel like my voice is going to get permanently stuck like one of these guys. And then I'm going to be screwed. I don't know, man. It's an interesting spot. It definitely is an interesting spot. You can see this little 15-minute wedge that I already had drawn here is breaking to the downside right now. Once again, it's always when I start streaming that I would have been like, all right, let me look at some trade opportunities. But we are dumping to the downside on this. Let's see how low we go. This was more evident on like the super short-term time frames. But nevertheless, we do have this bigger one here. Okay, we do have this bigger one here. If we go back to the 4 hour time frame, I know everyone and their mother, okay? Everyone and their mother are looking at this, all right? We did have this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. This is something that we looked at the last couple days, and quite frankly, we did technically get the breakout, but, like I said, guys, we're not really seeing that follow through just yet. We did get back above the 50 EMA. Awesome. We got to close back above it. Now we're consolidating above it, but we're not seeing that follow through just yet. I want to see some more follow through. All right. I want to see some more freaking follow through. We haven't done it just yet. So I want to get pumped. All right? I want to get pumped and say, all right, Bitcoin can continue higher, but I need to see a little bit more confirmation until we do so. All right. Bathwater said, everyone and your mom? Facts. Where's my mom in the chat? My mom is here. There she is. There she is. I knew she was coming in, man. I literally knew she was coming in, bro. Let's see. What are you talking about, Frank Fractal? Frank Fractal in the chat, man. All right, but nice move to the upside. I'm seeing everyone get bullish again, man. I will say this, bro. I will say this. I'm seeing everyone kind of get bullish again. I'm seeing it on Twitter. I'm seeing Alex Becker come out. Let's bring on Alex Becker. Alex Becker's going nuts on Twitter off one little pump. Let me bring on Alex Becker here. Alex, come on, brother. Come on, man. Come on, Alex. Come on, bro. All right, hold on, guys. Alex is going to come on for a second. Hold on. What's going on, guys? It's Alex Becker. Guys, you guys are absolute plebs and absolute fucktards. All right, if you guys are not buying this dip, if you guys did not buy at 17K, you guys are a bunch of idiots, okay? Only plebs would not buy at 17K, all right? You guys were whining and crying that you wanted to buy Bitcoin at 60K, yet we went down to 17K, you guys still aren't buying? You guys are absolute F-tards, and you guys need to start buying more crypto, man. You guys, the bear market is over. That is the bottom at 17K. You guys need to stop buying, man. You guys need to start buying, bro. You know, you guys need to start buying. All right? Listen, man. Listen, I'm seeing everyone starting to flip. Not everyone. I wouldn't say everyone. Everyone's kind of a stretch. But I'm seeing a lot of people just getting bullish again, man. How many times have we seen this? We fall for the same thing over and over and over again, man. It's like, all right, we have the rate hike announcement. We dump. We consolidate a little bit. We come up a little bit. Everyone's screaming for the rooftops, right? Everyone's coming on here screaming for the rooftops every single time. You know, we come on. It's like this. Whoa! Yes! Yes! We're finally going to the moon. This is what I've been waiting for. Yes, we're going to the moon. Oh my God, a move from 17.6K to 21K. This is it. The bottom is in. Yes. Guys, nothing has changed from. All right, I will say this, man. I will say this. Nothing has changed from last week besides Bitcoin consolidating a little bit. We've seen this a million times. And every single time Bitcoin has a little bit of a pump, everyone starts falling for it just for the next rate hike to come out or the next CPI print to come out just for us to dump again. Okay, so wait. DCAing is fine. Okay, I'm not knocking DCAing. I've been DCAing. Okay, DCAing is fine, but trying to just like 100% say the bottom is in, I will say, is stupid, man. Okay, every single time we have a little bit of a consolidation, it's like the bottom is in. It's like, dude. Nothing's changed from last week. Everything's still the same besides Bitcoin being at 21K. All of a sudden, 21K is a FOMO price when last week 21K was the end of the world. It's like, come on, guys. Let's chill a little bit. Let's chill. All right? DCAing's fine, I will say. DCAing is fine, but nothing has changed in the bigger picture. What's changed? Nothing has changed. People still don't have any money. All right? Let's be honest here. Nothing has changed, man. All right. Did Bobo... Poor PP. Oh, Lord, man. Did Jordan say the bottom was in? Oh, Lord, man. We'll take a look at a few different things here, okay? The daily is getting a little bit of a move up. But, I mean, once again, guys, we zoom out. All right? This is what the chart looks like here. Okay? And I'm not trying to be negative Nancy, but holy moly, man. This is what the daily chart looks like, man. Now, at some point, right, it's going to bounce back up. It's going to blow everyone's mind, okay? When that happens, awesome. If you've been DCAing down here, freaking hallelujah, man. Halla freaking lujah, all right? I will still have to say, my what I look for in a bottom structure still has not played out, all right? We still have these two wicks down here that we're going to come back down and take at some point, all right? And I'll tell you guys again, like, we're coming up right now. Awesome. But I'm still looking for that W pattern here. I'm still looking to come back down to the downside, come back up, and then we come back up. All right? I'm still looking for that double hit. Just like we were in the last consolidation. Everyone was saying I'm crazy. All right? So, still looking for that move back down to 17K. Let's see if it happens. If it doesn't, well, it is what it is. That's why we have HODL portfolios, and that's why we can celebrate a little bit, right? So, still nothing's really changed in the daily. We're coming up. Awesome. Hold on real quick. Let me see what you guys say in the chat, man. Chart looks like destroying dreams. Nice. Waterfly said my pee burns. What happened to your pee-pee, Waterfly? What happened to your pee-pee? Did you eat, what makes your penis burn? You know what I'm saying? What makes that burn, man? Let's see. See what you guys are saying in the chat. Nice waterfall. It is a nice waterfall, man. He wanted the W, but she gave him the V. Maybe that's where Waterfly got the burn. He got the V instead of the W. Holy moly, man. Waterfly, be careful what you're putting the penis into, man. Holy moly, bro. Holy moly. All right. Let's continue on. Let's continue on here. So, like I said, guys, I mean, nothing's really changed on the charts. It's just, to me, it's a wait and see zone right now. I'm not getting too excited for one move or the other. It's a wait and see zone. I have to say, like, the indicators, 1 hour stock RSI needs to reset. 4 hour stock RSI is going to need to reset here. Right here, right? It's topped out. It's going to need to reset at some point. And I think it will relatively soon. Daily's getting a nice little reset here. So if it wants to curl back over, now it has room to. All right? But I will say this, guys. I will say this. If we want some hopium, all right? If we want to strap our jimmies on, all right? Guys, don't listen to Jordan. We're going to the moon. This is it. This is it. Look at the weekly candle. It's the size of my penis. Look at it. It's the size of my penis. Strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon. Look at this weekly candle. It's huge. Jordan's going to give us some hopium now. So, guys, our $500 stimmies are about to turn into $1,000. All right? So strap up. We're going to the friggin' moon, baby. All right, but here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. If we want some hopium, we want to see a move by the close of this week. By the close of this week, let's get back above the 200-week moving average. Okay? The 200-week moving average. Let's see. Let's friggin' see, man. All right? So right now that's at 22,400. If we can close back above this week, man, hey, it's freaking awesome, bro. Let's get a move back above that at the end of the day. That's what we did in March of 2020, right? That's what we did in 2018. That's what we did in 2014 and 2015. Okay, so let's wait for that. All right, let's wait for that. But I'm really waiting until Sunday to really decide what the weekly is going to look like here. Right? We can look at this all we can right now. All right, but I'm really waiting until Monday, man. All right, sorry, until Sunday night. For the weekly chart. And I will say, like, there's some good things going on the longer term time frames that could play out. Like we said, we get the minor capitulation, we get the RSIs at the lowest levels they've ever been. We get the stock RSI in the 2 week that's bottomed out. That's usually a great sign for a bottom coming in relatively soon, right? We're at the bottom of the 2 week Gaussian channel here, and we're at the 786 retracement. All right, so we are at a lot of different key levels here on the weekly, 2 week chart, monthly chart, things of that nature. That could show us that we get, if we don't get a relief rally here, then I think we get one sometime soon. Okay, I will continue to stand by that. Let's go back over here. So as of right now, guys, it's a wait and see, right? I know everyone's like looking for some short-term TA. I will say, man, there's not anything I'm really looking at besides this rising wedge on the 1 hour time frame. All right, I don't see any vector candles for us to come back down and take. Right, I don't see any of them to the upside. I see no vector candles to the upside looking left that I want to see us go get. I see no vector candles looking down on the hourly that I need to see us go get. So right now it's a waiting to see for me. All right, sometimes that's what the chart tells you, man. You're not always in a trade. I think some people that are traders, they think, you always need to be in a trade. No, you don't need to be. Right now, this is kind of interesting. All right, this is definitely interesting. One thing I will say is on the 1 hour time frame, we do have this wick up here. So I would expect, if we dump from here, I would expect Bitcoin to come back up, take this wick before we come back down. All right, I would expect Bitcoin to come back up and take this wick, if anything. All right, if anything, to come back up and take this wick. Other than that, there's really not much. Right, there's really not much to say at the current moment, man. We're just sitting right at the highs. Right, it's an interesting point. Interesting point, bro. Let's see. Inkling for diesel. Nice, bro. All right. So 15-minute wedge is playing out. All right. So that played out pretty nicely there. I was streaming, unfortunately, so I didn't get to get on that one, but so that one's playing out a little bit. We're coming back to test the 20 EMA. Let's see if that holds initially, but same type of deal, man, on the short-term time frames. There's nothing really I'm looking at here, right? Bitcoin's came back down to take every vector candle on the 15-minute time frame, right? Until about back down here at 20,400. I don't really see us coming back down there at the very moment, so let's see, right? Let's see. So far, so good on this one, though. This is like a super short-term time frame chart here that we can get excited about, Let's see. Daniel, what's going on, man? Dan, you're being very nice in the chat today. Very, very nice in the chat, bro. Let's see. That was German? What do you mean, bro? What are you trying to say, man? Yeah. It's really not much to say, guys. I mean, I will just say, everyone's going to say the same thing you watched today, right? We're right at resistance. All right, cool. We're right at the highs. All right, cool. Now we wait to see if Bitcoin wants to break them, right? Indicators show that we're probably not going to at this very minute without a pullback. All right. Bitcoin can sometime do its thing. And that's why right now I think this is a no trade zone for me. Okay. Definitely true, Drew. Definitely true, man. What's going on, Market Matt? Good to see you, man. It's supposed to be irony. That's funny, man. That's funny. What does George think? George, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. What do you think, bro? What do you think? I am George. We're all George. Guys, Bitcoin is absolutely mooning to the upside right now. This is why I've been telling you guys to DCA, to HODL. Look at this giant move that Bitcoin is getting to the upside right now. This is why I tell you guys to DCA. Look at this giant weekly candle right now. This thing is absolutely massive. We are going to go up. All right, we fell below the 200-week moving average, but we're going to reclaim it this week, guys, okay? So make sure you're DCAing, make sure you're hodling, make sure you're not falling for the whalish games. And quite frankly, don't let the FUD revolving around Luna, right? Yeah, I told you to DCA Luna, but just ignore it. The FUD revolving around Celsius affects your decision-making in DCAing crypto, okay? We are going to go up. All right, that's all I have to say for you guys today. Now, let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. T said, I'm here for George. Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here for me. Whalish games, yes, these are all whalish games, man. The only reason that we dropped from 69K to 17K is whalish games. It has nothing to do with the economy. We are still in a bull market. This is just a bear trend. We are still in a bull market. Exactly. All right. I'm done. I'm done. We gotta have fun with my guy George. George is George, man. He's one of the only people I watch every day. Don't ask me why I watch him every day. Yeah, me and Maya watch George, and we're like, why the hell are we watching him? All right, let's go over here. So, what you guys say in the chat? Miller said Hawkins cheesies are great. 450 milligrams of sodium. Hawkins cheesies, those are chips that you eat, man. Nice, bro. Miller said, smack that like button to new all-time high. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hamilton said, Ian clean for DC. Okay. Interesting, man. I don't know what that means. I hope I didn't say anything wrong, but thank you, Hamilton, for the super chat, man. Appreciate that, bro. All right. Now we wait. Now we freaking wait to see what Bitcoin does. Let's look at some altcoins, though. We want to look at some altcoins. Guys, let me know in the chat what altcoins you want to look at. All right. We're going to look at some altcoins today because Bitcoin right now is kind of just chilling. All right. But altcoins did get some serious freaking moves. So let's Bitcoin's Bitcoin. We know what we're waiting for at this point. Let's look at some alts. Let's start with Ethereum. All right, let's start with Ethereum. We don't want to look at freaking altcoins. There's no point. They're gonna follow Bitcoin's movement. Why do you keep doing this to us, Jordan? My God, man, I'm so sick of looking at altcoins. It's so pointless, bro. If I want to look at altcoins, I can just look at it myself. Christ, man, can we at least look at Shiba? At least Shiba's a real coin with a real community, not Ethereum. It charges $200 for a freaking trade. I don't have $200. Christ, man, you're a freaking idiot, Jordan. Idiot. God, man. Thanks for the nice words, Bob. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Let's look at Spell. I got you, Drew. You shorting Spell, man? I have a feeling Drew's shorting Shell. Shorting Spell. If I could talk. Holy moly, man. All right, so ETH. ETH is kind of doing the same thing as Bitcoin, man. Rising wedge to the upside. All right? These rising wedges have been playing out very, very well. Now, be careful for this. If you're looking at this on your charts, all right? Be careful when you're looking at this because the rising wedges often have not came back down to their targets, right? Targets would be, my target would be back down at the bottom here, right here at like 1185. But what I'm waiting for say, ETH, right, is a breakdown of this, right, and a break of this trend here. So basically, what I'd be watching for Ethereum on this is if ETH wants to come back down, all right, test the 50, maybe gets a bounce back up, reconfirms this as resistance, that's when I would put my short in, man. I would put my short in there, right, and that's when I would ride to the downside. If and only if I see the dump and I see the retrace back up. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. So right now I'm watching that for ETH. If it doesn't play out, all right, on to the next day. Hourly chart. I mean, hourly. Look at the hourly stock RSI. Look at the hourly RSI, guys. This thing's due. I mean, the hourly RSI has been topped out for, I mean, you're talking almost a full day now. All right. Hourly stock RSI is topped out. Hourly RSI is topped out. All right. I gotta expect this at, sometime soon to have a pullback. Is it gonna continue up higher first? We'll find out. We'll find out. I think the 4-hour will give us more clues on that. We'll check out the 4-hour. You're above all your EMAs, so all is good. That's a pretty solid move to the upside. All right, 4-hour time frame, moving up pretty hot and heavy too. You're coming up on resistance on the 4-hour though. All right, you got some previous wicks, some candle closes coming up right here in this area. So this area is going to give yourself some resistance. You got the 4-hour stock RSI topped out once again as well. All right, and you got some vector candles looking to the downside. That eventually you're going to come back down and take. So, go back to the 4-hour time frame. I would assume that, at some point ETH is going to come back down and take this vector here, right? And that's why this rising wedge, I would expect it to play out higher chance than not. Now, nothing's a guarantee in crypto for sure. Nothing's a guarantee in trading, but I would expect this to come back down to this range. All right, if I was looking at this, if it breaks through here, all right. It's good days. It means the market maker just wants to bring it up. All right, awesome stuff. But right now, ETH is looking pretty good. ETH is looking pretty good. And on the daily, it's probably looking very, very juicy. Yeah, very, very juicy on the daily, man. You got to love ETH. Look at that fat daily candle. Let's get a pump song going for ETH, man. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Oh, I'm blurry. Holy moly, man. Holy freaking moly, it's blurry. I don't like when it's blurry, guys. Come on, bro. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's that for ETH. ETH is coming up hot and heavy on the daily, so beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. We'll see if it continues, but you can't hate on the price action you're getting right now, man. Especially for the bulls. You got to love it. You got to love it. All right, what else we got? Let's look at, let me look at some of my other watch list here. We got some altcoins. And what else moved up today? AVAX up about 13% from its lows. AVAX was due, though. AVAX was freaking due. Look at AVAX, man. I would say be careful on AVAX just based off the premise that it is coming up to its previous lows. Right, so you're coming up on your previous lows here. That should give you some resistance as well. Daily stock RSI is already topped out on AVAX. I'm sure the 4-hour is too. Yeah, 4 hours toppy, all right? And the hourly also is toppy. So every time frame is pretty toppy on the stock RSI and the daily and the RSI, right? So be careful here too. I mean, nothing goes up in a straight line, obviously. So just be wary that this is getting a little bit fried. Though I will say, guys, I think sometimes we forget about crypto. Sometimes crypto has a mind of its own, but you got to respect the charts until it doesn't work, right? And lately it's been kind of working. So let's continue to respect those. But yeah, everything's kind of pointing to, all right, does it get back up to this green box? There's a good chance to get back up to the green box here, but expect a little bit of resistance up here as you have a previous low and a previous low coming in right at that level. So I would expect some resistance there, guys. All right. He said, can you ban mods? Why would you want to ban mods, man? There's no reason to ban mods. There's no reason to ban mods, man. No reason, man. If you ban mods, listen, one time Bob was a mod. And this is what happened, guys. This is what happened when Bob was a mod last time. This guy's friggin' annoying in the chat. This guy's so friggin' annoying. God, he's a mod, though. What am I supposed to do? I can't ban this guy. Jordan made him a mod. God, he's so annoying. He just talks about, like, shit. And, yeah, I mean, listen, I like shit, too, but, like, Christ, man. Like, I can't ban him. He's a friggin' annoying-ass mod. He just bans everyone. My God, bro. He likes friggin' the graph and Algorand. Like, I can't ban this guy. What am I supposed to do, bro? Shit, man. All right. Screw this guy. I don't want to be a mod anymore. I can't ban this friggin' idiot. Christ, bro. Christ. At one time, Bob just quit being a mod because he couldn't ban anyone. But nevertheless. Oh, Lord, bro. Lord. Oh, Lord, man. All right. Let's continue on. So that's AVAX. AVAX could have some movement to the upside a little bit more, but I'm expecting a pullback relatively soon here. All right. You've had a nice move. I mean, let's be real here. I mean, you pumped from about $13 to $21 without, I mean, yeah, little pullbacks here and there, but, you know, nothing absolutely crazy. And if you look at AVAX here, all right, okay, look at AVAX. AVAX actually looks like it might be smacking this to the upside, which is a good sign. It was a little bit of a rising wedge as well, but it looks like depending on where it closes, you close up here, all right? It's a good shot you actually break this to the upside, which is a bullish sign. When you break a rising wedge to the upside, that's a bullish freaking sign, man. So I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see. Mod's gonna moderate. Facts. You hate me because I spit the truth? I think he was talking about you, Wayne. I do think he was talking about you. Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat. How high can Gala go if BTC goes to 60K and above? If BTC goes to 60K and above, dude, altcoins would go nuts, man. I mean, we know how that usually works, right? If Bitcoin goes to 60K, I mean, whenever it does. I'm not saying it happened right now, but whenever it does, right? I mean, Gala, let's look at where Gala was last time Bitcoin was at 60K, right? Which was back in November, right? Last time Bitcoin was at 60K, Gala was at almost 80 cents, bro, right? So use that as a reference, right? Use that as some of a reference. Now, it's not going to be apples to apples, right? Last bull market, Bitcoin got to move up first with some DeFi projects here and there, like Aave and a couple other DeFi projects moved with it. Chainlink moved up with it. But a lot of the other altcoins moved up after Bitcoin did. Really, in the beginning of 2021 is when altcoins started to go nuts. All right, so if you use that as a relative guide, I mean, it's not going to pump up right away based off past precedents, but, you know, it's about a 13x, just get back to all-time highs. Whenever it does, right? Not saying it's going to happen right now. I don't think it's going to happen right now. So take that for what you will, bro. Take that for what you will. Let's see. I'm on the wait list for toilet paper. No, it's not those times anymore, man. You remember those times where everyone was like going to the store and try to get TP? Those were some interesting times, man. It's like you go to the store, everything's on the shelves. No one's buying anything besides toilet paper, paper towels, hand sanitizer. I'm probably forgetting something. And there's paper towels, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and it was like freaking it was freaking like any type of meat, anything that would that they can put in the freezer, people were going nuts for, bro. What a crazy time that was. What a crazy time that was, man. It's good to look back at that and be like I'm glad that it's not obviously not over, but I'm glad that it's relatively not the same lifestyle that it was back then. I will say that. All right. All right. So we looked at a few different alts. Weed, gloves and masks. That's true. All right. Can I ask everyone that I can't? I don't know if I can say this stuff, man. I can't say this stuff. We're on YouTube. It's supposed to be freedom of speech, but you can't have freedom of speech. So I'm not gonna say this stuff. Is TP gone? No, it's still there, man. It's still there. Water was hard to find too. Oh yeah, people were buying the shit out of water bottles, man. It's like, dude, leave someone for everyone else. Like, holy moly. Holy moly, man. What do you think of Jupiter? I can check out Jupiter, man, for sure, for sure. Let me see what else you guys asked for here. Solana. I was actually gonna do Solana next. We'll do Solana, and then we'll kind of shoot the crap, man. I mean, today it's Friday night. Bitcoin's trying to move up back up to the highs. Let's see if we can. All right, here's the thing. Let's look at the hourly chart. The hourly chart's coming up on the highest hourly close that we saw since the previous highs, which is only 3 days ago. The 4 hours I think is actually, Yeah, the 4 hours actually coming up on almost the previous highs right here. So if there's anything that we can fight for, man, all right? For everyone in the chat, for all my guys in the chat here, right here, all right? If there's any way Bitcoin can close above 21,381, that's going to be the highest 4-hour close of this consolidation. So, for all my bulls out there, you know what we're going to do. You know we're going to fight for the close. We got 25 minutes into the close, man. Let me get it on this Friday night, all right? Let's get it. Bulls, let's get the highest 4-hour close that we saw since the major dump of June 16th. We have a chance to push up higher, but right now we are getting held back by the salty bears and their smelly balls. Excuse me. But we have a chance to push them back. We have a chance to push them back, and we can get the highest 4-hour close. So fight. Spam the swords and spam the shields in the chat. We will have pumped, and we will never look back from this level. Let's freaking get busy, and let's steal back our goats. Fight for everything that we haven't fought for. Let's see what Java's saying, man. I'm not fighting. Take Bob. I'm not going. No, I'm not. I don't need to. I'm rich. Take the poor asshole in the take the poor asshole in the basement. He sucks anyways. He doesn't do anything. Just freaking take him in the basement. All he does is sit on his bed all day. Just take him. Take him. No, I'm not freaking going either. Get out of here, Java. Come here. Come here, bro. Come here. No. Come here, you freaking idiot. Come here, you freaking Christ. I'm not going to war. You are. No, Bob, Java, no. Bob, All right, I'm done. But no, in all seriousness, guys, in all seriousness, let's get a close above 21,381. And then hopefully we can get the highest close there. All right? Hodl is for pussies. I love that poster, man. That's one of the best posters. I bet Savvy has that poster somewhere. I bet he does. All right, let's do Solana. Let's watch BTC, and we'll also go back to Solana. Kind of back and forth, man. Let's see. So Solana. Let's see what we got here. This is what the inside Jordan's mind looks like. Oh Lord, man. I can tell people in the chat today are just beaten down from the bear market, man. You know, I can literally just tell. I can literally tell by the taste, man. Look at the chat, bro. Look at the chat, man. All right, I remember when there's been so much enthusiasm in the chat. Now it's just like no enthusiasm, but it's okay. It's okay, man. It's okay. We don't need that. I don't need that energy. Okay. Well, sometimes I like it, but all right. Let's get busy here. So 42.68. What are we doing for Solana here? So Solana's getting a nice move right. Actually, is it getting a nice move right now, or was it earlier? Let's see, man. Actually, getting a nice move up right now, man. Let's freaking get it. All right, here we go. Solana's getting a pump. Let's get it, man. Come on. Come on, man. I'm stuck in my shorting ways. I don't blame you, man. Trust me, I don't blame you guys. Oh Lord, everyone! This guy's that I'm stuck in my shorting ways. I think everyone is, man. I think everyone is stuck in their shorting ways, and you know, it's almost like it's gonna be hard, just like it was at like the bull market to switch to the shorting ways. It's gonna be hard to get back to like, oh, I want the prices to go up again, right? I guess it might be hard for a lot of people to do that, you know. All right, Solana's looking real good though. Solana's looking real good. If we actually look at this, right? Solana actually looks like it might be breaking out of whatever was there of a rising wedge. It looks like it's not going to give a flying F about this rising wedge. Looks like it's just going to pump up to the upside. Okay? We missed the pump song so much. Facts, man. But yeah, looks like that's just pumping up to the upside. So what do we say? When a rising wedge breaks to the upside, that's some bullish shit, right? That is some serious bullish shit. So I like that a lot. Let's see if this continues. But holy moly, man, you gotta take that for what you will. Now, just be careful here, right? Always just be careful on this, because indicators like the stock RSI and the 4 hours topped out, hourly stock RSI topped out, all right? Though you are pumping. So I will say, as always, guys, this is crypto, okay? This is crypto. A lot of times the market makers can just move up the price, all right? Just to get people to come back into, just to dump it back down, even when the indicators are showing that it needs a dump, right? So take that for what you will, all right? So, but right now it's getting a nice move. It's getting a freaking nice move, man. Let's look at the daily. Let's see. The daily. Yeah, you're right at resistance here on the daily. Let me actually get rid of this. You're right at resistance on the daily time frame. So this wick to this high, it's going to act as some resistance right there. So if you're looking to FOMO in right now, okay, just be careful here, right? I'm not going to say you guys do what you want to do. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. It's your freaking money, man, all right? But I'll say the time to buy was down here, all right? Will you regret it up here? I mean, yeah, we can certainly continue up, and that's not the right way to look at it, but the time to buy was down here, all right? If you're FOMO in now, the risk versus reward on that for me is not great. So, you know, as always, you guys do what you want to do there, man. Because you know how this works. You know how this works, man. He bought. Dump it. You know how this works, man. All right. And so that is Solana. So AVAX continuing up. Solana continue up. It's really the, the altcoin show. Really the altcoin show today, guys. You know. Pump music for Sol. Solana mobile. Yeah, we got the pump music going for Sol, man. Sol's looking real good. What do you think of Jupiter? Said Wilmot, appreciate the super chat, man. Let's go look at Jupiter real quick for you, brother. We're just gonna jump through altcoins. We'll check out Bitcoin if anything changes. We checked out the charts on Bitcoin earlier, guys. Jupiter, pretty massive, pretty big move to the upside as well. Dude, this one did like a 5x. From the bottom, right? Yeah, this one did. Actually, this one almost did like a 7x from the bottom. That's a pretty big move, man. I will say. Horse Guy's going to look at this one and be like, oh my freaking God. Wow! Look at Jupiter! It's my name of my favorite planet. And it's up 5x. This is a no-brainer. George, what do you think about Jupiter? George, tell us what you think about Jupiter. What do you think? I am George. We're all George. Guys, I just discovered a great altcoin today, and it's called Jupiter. And no, I am not talking about it because it is up 5x, right? And I just want to get people to jump into it. No, I actually think this is a great project, and quite frankly, I'm going to be DCAing into some Jupiter. Wait, really? George, you are going to DCA into Jupiter? Oh, I'm going to DCA too. Yes, I'm DCAing right now. This is it. This is the next one. This is the next huge coin. Yes. Dump it. No, you told me to DCA. Why do I keep listening to these YouTubers? They don't know jack squat. They are manipulating us, not the market makers. No, you stupid YouTubers. You just want views. You just come on here for views. You don't come on here to help us. Oh, oh God, man. All right. Oh, I have too much fun. Even during these times, man, I have a lot of fun on here. Thanks for dealing with me every day, guys. Holy moly, man. Holy moly. And by DCA, Horse Guy means he's spending literally everything he has on a green candle. Facts, man. Facts. All right. All right. Let's continue on. So we did Jupiter. Anyways, guys, Jupiter's up 5x, man. I'm not looking to buy this right now. Okay. Once again, the time to buy was down here. Okay. The time to buy was on down here. I mean, just in hindsight, if you look at this in hindsight, and sometimes look at charts in hindsight, right? Because they can help you learn for next time. It's not so much as I told you so, because I didn't say anything about this. It's more so of, all right, let's look at hindsight. Hindsight's 2020. You dump to the downside, all right? Awesome. You got to move back up to the upside. Awesome. All right? You get a second move back to the downside. Here's the thing, man. You held that low, started to move back up. So you got the W formation. This is actually a great thing to look at as far as structure and where I would look at for potential long positions, right? So you pumped to the upside. You came back down. Look exactly where you came back down to. And this is sort of what I mean sometimes when I talk about W patterns, guys, is you came right back down to the previous close highs. So look at that perfect back test. So W formation, rise up, back test of the W formation highs, all right? Continuation up. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And this is why I love W formations, man. And that's why you'll see a W formation at the bottoms mostly every single time. All right? Here's another example. You guys want to see another example right here? It's absolutely beautiful, man. Look at this. This one take a while to play out, but even look at this one, man. Right? Hit to the downside, rise up. Hit to the downside, rise up. All right, you got a massive pump there. But what happened, man? You came back down. Where did you come back down to? Look exactly where you came back down to, man. You wicked right to the W formation close highs. And then what did you do from there? Let's go over it again, man. You dumped, W formation, rise up, back test right at the W formation highs. And what did you do from there? You had a freaking field day all the way up to the upside, man. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And that's what I look at for long positions. All right? The W formation, back test, continuation. All right? Same thing on the, I look at the top side. M formation, back test, continuation. Right? It's really the same thing, man. Sometimes it plays out longer than it does, and it doesn't always have to play out like that, but you guys get the point. Let's do an example on the top, right? I guess sometimes I don't do this enough, and I know sometimes you guys like to look at this stuff in hindsight because it really does teach you, right? And look at this one, right? M formation. Let's look at the opposite. Rise up, rise back down, rise back up, dump. All right, you could have played that one. You could have shorted the M formation neckline there, right? You could have done that. It's a little bit more risky to do that, but you could have done that. But what did you do? You eventually came back up, back tested the M formation neckline, and what did you do? Dumped again. All right? So it's quite beautiful, man. I mean, it's quite beautiful. That's my preferred strategy a lot of the times. And you'll see that formation play out constantly, man. This is just on the daily chart. You go to the shorter term time frames, like the hourly and the 4 hour, you'll see that play out a shitload, man. A shitload. So, take it for what you will. W formation, gun go up. M formation, gun go down. Pretty much, man. Pretty much. Pretty much. Dale. Dale, we still gonna go up, man? Dale, are we still gonna go up? Let me know. Let me know in the chat if you guys like to go and actually look at scenarios where like TA actually played out and it just as hindsight, like, because I would tell you guys, hindsight is like the greatest things. It's great to go back and back test your strategies to see if they work. Let me know if you guys like to do that stuff. I'll definitely do that stuff more often to kind of kill some dead airspace, you know. Right now we have 12 minutes until the daily close. We're still waiting on a lot of different things here. A load of different things, okay? A load of different things. You know who we haven't seen in a while? We haven't seen our good friend Bart. I hope we don't see him in a long time. But we haven't seen our good friend Bart in like, dude, bro. I don't even know how long we haven't seen our good friend Bart, but I hope we don't see him. Hope we don't see him for very, very long, man. You know. Let's see. Where's Clint? He's MIA. I don't know where Clint is today. It's ridiculous, bro. And I hunt for alts above the 50 on the 4 hour. Not always working out. Yeah, I mean everyone has their different strategy, bro. Yeah. Dale's still bullish. Okay, that's interesting. I like it, Dale. I actually like when Dale's bullish because it gives me a little bit more confidence that the market's going to go up, you know? Gives me a lot of confidence. Where's Rover? You guys know what Rover's doing, man. You guys know what Rover's doing right now. What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Rover here, and guys, I am super, super excited, guys. If we go look at my Twitter right now, I bet I am saying that crypto is going to the absolute moon. I literally said at the previous top right here that I smell a pump. Go look at my Twitter. I said right here that I smell a pump for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin went on to drop about 15% down to the downside, guys. And I smell another pump right now. I smell it. Do you smell it too? Because I smell it. Look in my eyes. Look in my eyes. Do you see my eyes? I smell a pump. I'm super, super excited about the pump too. Yeah. Yeah, I'm super excited about it. All right, I got to go tweet. Bye. All right. Rover's freaking weird, man. Rover, man. I swear Rover and that Martini guy have something going on. I swear. I swear they have something going on. They're always replying to each other on Twitter and like jerking each other off. But it's okay. It's okay. It's fine. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. Right? But I think they have something going on. Okay? I'm like a little detective when it comes to this stuff. I think they have something going on. All right. Let's continue on. So, he said frightening. I smell the smell too. Oh, is Matic pumping? Let's go check out Matic. Matic. Anyways, you asked me about Jupiter, man. Jupiter, man, it's interesting because if Bitcoin moves up, this thing could certainly keep moving up, right? But technicals say this probably needs a little bit of a pullback, man. Daily's already toppy. 4 hours actually resetting nicely on Jupiter, by the way. So, short-term time frames actually don't look too bad, man. I would say on Jupiter, which is actually crazy since that you already had like a freaking, what was it? About 5x on this thing? Could just be flagging out here before a continuation up. So, just, make sure you're watching out for this. Just could be flagging up. All right, let's go look at Matic. Matic, up about 11%. Dude, Matic has no chill right now, man. I drew this trend line for Matic right here. It's just a simple trend line, right? Back test. It has no chill on this trend line. Eventually, this is going to break, and I'll probably be shorting Matic. As soon as it breaks this trend line, I'll probably be shorting Matic. But it just keeps holding this trend line, man. It looks like it's going back up to test its highs right now. If Matic breaks 63.2 cents, it's going to break its highs, and then we can play the pump song, and we can be off to the moon again, all right? Our relative moon, like the moon that's closest to us, right? Bitcoin, so far, looks like it broke down from this wedge, back tested as resistance. Looks like it, let's see if it wants to come down or not. But right now, altcoins, a lot of altcoins have no chill, which is great. Days that I like. I like when altcoins have no chill, you know? I definitely like that. All right, let's see. Reverse BART pattern. The reverse BART pattern. Could be. Thy Matic. If Matic breaks this, the 1 hour looks fine. 1 hour has room to run. Dude, I got to assume Matic just has no chill, man. So we talked about this level being a heavy resistance level. Gracioso. Heavy resistance level right here. 66 cents is the next resistance level. I mean, that's just a simple previous high, right? But that's the next level I'd look at there. You have a 4 hour vector candle right here, which we talked about yesterday, that Matic came perfectly up to, and took that vector candle right here in the 4 hour time frame. But next, it's just the next previous high, which is 65.6 cents on the dot. So that's the next level I'll look at if Matic could continue up to the upside. 4 hour stocks are a little bit toppy. But the 1 hour can certainly continue up before it dumps, right? 1 hour is still continuing up. So, don't count out more of a pump for Matic, man. I will say, man. All right, let's see what you guys are saying in here. Smile said BNB. Smile said, can you see a 110 ADA this year? If not, when? Man, a 110 ADA. Phantom giving boom booms. I'm sure a lot of altcoins are going boom booms right now, man. A lot of altcoins are boom booms. It's not just Java who's going boom booms right now. Melissa, come here. I'm sad. You know what I need when I'm sad? I shorted. I got liquidated. You know what I need? What do you mean, no? What do you mean you're tired? No! Come on! Oh Lord. All right. Let's, A 110 ADA. Let's see. ADA is ADA. ADA Bob Beta, man. So ADA Bob Beta. I got you on the blur, man. Can I see a 110 ADA? That's only if Bitcoin like goes to... The only way ADA is going back to $1 this year, okay, is if Bitcoin goes... I would say if Bitcoin goes to like at least like 40K, man. That's the only way I see Bitcoin ADA going back to $1 is if Bitcoin hits 40K. All right, that's the only way. Right. Other than that, I mean, doing TA on relative altcoin like further term at the moment it's not really necessary. We got to just see what Bitcoin does. All right. But right now, I mean, we look at ADA on say like the daily time frame. You have the structure that I look for. My biggest issue with this, and this was my big issue down here when altcoins were kind of doing okay up here. All right, my big issue up there was that Bitcoin didn't have the structure, and Bitcoin eventually dumped again. All right, so it's kind of the same point. Like ADA has the structure. All right, it has the possible W formation. It needs to get a continuation up, but it has the possible W formation. But the problem for me is Bitcoin doesn't have the structure yet, which means if Bitcoin comes back down and makes that second leg on the W, I expect Cardano to come back down lower again. All right, so take that for what you will, but I have something I'm looking at for Bitcoin, and altcoins generally follow Bitcoin. So short term, could you see a rise up? Abso-freaking-lutely you can. Abso-freaking-lutely you can. But $1.10, that's only if Bitcoin goes to $1, you know? All right, look at that rising wedge, man. Try to tell me that the rising wedges don't play out, man. How many times have we looked at like a million rising wedges and every single one of them plays out? God damn, man. And that's the perfect setup too. All right? Always wait for the back test. So you broke this support, all right? You broke this support, you dumped, came back up, retraced, retest the previous support as resistance, and then you got the follow through back down. Come on, man. Come on, man. No, but in all honesty, I mean, so far so good on that one. Hourly, I'm really waiting for this hourly one though. You know, this is really the one I'm waiting for here. I will say this, guys. If Bitcoin comes back down and breaks the 200 EMA on the 1 hour again, I'm not going to like that. But let's see if it wants to do it. Let's see. Hit the like button or GTFO now. Appreciate the shout out, Wayne. Appreciate the shout out, man. Yeah, we got, let's get up to at least 400 likes here, guys. At least 400 likes. You know my take on the like button, guys. You know that.
Does it not mean the price would go up?
Try the rising wedge chalupa. I could do that. The rising wedge chalupa. I like Taco Bell. Who likes Taco Bell in the chat? Let me know. I am a big fan of Taco Bell. I do have to say. A lot of people don't like Taco Bell, but I think it's delicious, man. You know, a lot of people say it tastes like fake tacos. It does. Oh, it's like McDonald's version of burgers when it comes to tacos, but Taco Bell is good. Now, I make the best tacos. No one makes better tacos than me. It's 100% fact. I put love into my own tacos. A lot of love. Okay, sour cream and jalapenos. But Taco Bell's good too. Let me know. Let's see. Don't take the Lord's name. Nice, bro. All right, dude. This is another one, man. Why did I not short before the stream, bro? It's because I told myself, Jordan, do not do trades while you're in a stream. Do not do trades while you're in a stream. A lot of you guys told me that I should start like a trading like when I'm in a trade to just live stream when I'm in a trade. Maybe I'll do that, man. Maybe I'll do that. Listen, man. I just started trading recently. I'm not a pro, but some of you guys just like someone to hang around and just trade with. So maybe I'll do that. When I'm in a trade, maybe I'll hop on and do like a little trading show, right? Maybe we'll see. And listen, it's not for me to. It's just me to teach you what I look for. I mean, I'm not like I said, I'm not a pro. So take that for what you will. Chipotle is a fancy Taco Bell. True, man. True. I will mod your trades. True, man. Maybe you should sometimes. True, man. Yeah, like if I wasn't streaming, I probably would have put a short in on this back test. Obviously, I'm trading though, so I like to be able to monitor it. But yeah, maybe I'll start doing that, man. Maybe I'll start doing that. Your mom's pink taco confirmed. Slippery slope. Let's see. Can't see the screen? Yes, you can. What are you talking about? You can see the screen. All right. So that is that. That is that. See what you guys are saying here. BNB, I shorted 225. I have to hold or book a loss. Well, there you go, man. You're probably getting the dump now because Bitcoin's getting the dump. Or not a dump, but it's getting a relative small little move to that downside. Let's see what BNB's doing. There you go, man. Look at that. Look at that. So I don't know where you put in your trade.
I am up 2K already.
You shorted at 225.
Trade with us on stream, man.
Where did you short, man? I'm up 2K already on BTC short. Just trade with us on stream, man. Yeah, I might start doing it, man. I might start doing it. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. But you shorted at 225. Let's see. So I'm assuming you shorted. I don't know where you would short from. I'm assuming you would either short from this area here on this move up. And this is why I recommend Tino, man, because if you shorted at 225 right here, right, and you saw this move to the upside here with this yellow vector candle, you probably wouldn't have put a short in, right? Same thing. I'm assuming you probably shorted this thinking it was a M formation. But that's why I always wait for the back test, right? Because this one, listen, this one was the M formation. It came back down. You want to wait for the back test. This one came back up and broke through, right? So this one I wouldn't put a short in either. So I don't know where you put a short in from. But right now, man, it is coming down a little bit. And I mean, I don't know if I would hold it all the way down to 225. That's totally up to you, man. But you do you, man. Sometimes, I will say, sometimes it's better to just cut your losses, bro. But, yeah, whatever it takes not to get liquidated, pretty much, you know? That's why you stop losses on your trades, too, man. You stop losses on your trades, man, you know? That's what I'll say. Oh, and it was me? Nice. Let's see. Let's taco about it. Let's taco about it. I'm having a good time tonight. Let's keep it rolling until midnight. Yeah, man. I mean, it's Friday night. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling, man. I'm in a chill mood tonight. I don't know. I did a lot. I think it was because I did a lot of walking. You guys gonna make fun of me. I did a lot of walking today, man. It was a tough day. No, but yeah, a lot of physical exercise today. You know. I'm waiting to see what the chart is. One free fart jar with every order. Can we talk? Remember we talked about that fart jar? Now, dude, you guys know this? We talked about this a long time ago. Man. Do you know that there was a chick? Okay. All right. Do you know that there was a chick that was selling fart jars? Okay. And we talked about this way back in the day. Okay. If you guys remember that stream, let me know in the chat. There was a girl selling fart jars, man, for like $1,000, and some idiot dudes were buying that. Like, dude, how desperate do you have to be to buy a freaking fart jar? Even if you got it for free, never mind pay $1,000. Come on, man. And listen, there's 1,000 people watching the stream right now. I bet one person in here has bought a fart jar. I bet 1%, 0.1% of dudes in here have bought a fart jar, man. Come on, bro. Lord, man. That is absolute bonkers, man. Oh, my God. Who the hell would buy a fart jar? Who likes to sniff, man? Wow. I can't believe this was only $1,000. At least I have a fart jar. I can't win any trades, but at least this thing smells good. It smells like my mom. Let's refill it. Of course the horse guy would like that, man. Holy moly, bro. Can we have a Jordan fart jar? We can. We can, man. We definitely can. Holy moly. Someone, Beth said I have it. It's called my boyfriend. That's funny. Your mom's... Oh, Lord, bro. You timed that perfect. All right. Anyways. Let's continue on. Let's continue on here. Holy moly, bro. Let's see. Can you look at XRP? Thanks from UK. Appreciate you, man. We definitely can. Listen, man. Like I said, the guy who was shorting BNB, man, sometimes it's better to cut your losses. You're pretty far from that one, man. I'm not saying it can't go all the way back down to 225, but are you willing to bet that on the case of... I don't know if that's your... I don't know if you're going to get liquidated at 244. All right, but... I don't know, man. I've always rather take the loss than get liquidated. You know what I'm saying? I'll say that. Never get liquidated, bro. You know? Never, ever, ever do that. Because then you don't live to fight another day. It's always better to live to fight another day, man.
No, but
It's totally up to you.
yours, haha.
I'll buy you. Oh, God. No, you don't want my fart jar. I'm telling you right now. Not after my chip night last night. You don't want it. You don't want it, man. And today I ate a bunch of watermelon, so I just ate a bunch of fiber. Pfft. Holy moly, man. All right. Aaron, I got you, man. I'm going to... Here, guys. Here's what I'm going to do. I might make... I know I always have something different for the second channel, man. I always do. Because you know what? I can't do something unless I'm super passionate about it. Like this stream, man. I'm super passionate about this. That's why I can do it every day. Never mind 2 times a day. Right? But maybe I'll do that on the second channel, man. Maybe I'll start doing that. It's a good idea. Because then I can just hang out with you guys, have fun while I'm in my trades. If I lose, I lose. It is what it freaking is, you know? Can you look at XRP? Yeah, I mean, I know XRP had a pretty decent move. It's probably coming back down now because Bitcoin's coming down, right? You should expect all altcoins to come down now. All right, so here's the short-term M formation. Let's do a little test, okay? Let's do a little test. So we have the short-term M formation, right? Neckline was right here. Let's do a little test, right? So first of all, the M formation played out beautifully. There we go, all right? It's a simple formation, man. But it really, when you just use these two, I mean, that's all you need. You'll see it at every high and every low, all right? So you have the first hit, the second hit, continuation to the downside. Now, here's what I would wait for XRP, okay? Here's what I would wait for XRP, man. You might be saying, Jordan, shouldn't I short now? The price is dumping right now. Here's the thing what I wait for, man. If it continues dumping here, so be it, okay? I'm not going to time that because you could just be trying to catch a falling knife here, okay? What I wait for is the retrace back up to retest the neckline, all right? If it comes back up and retests the neckline, that's when I put my short position in, right? With the stop loss up here, okay? If it comes up and hits my stop loss, whatever. It's a small loss, I'll take the L, all right? But I'm going to bet on the back test of the M formation and the move and the continuation move down, all right? More often than not, I'd probably put the back test up at the closes, the 15-minute closes here at about 36.7, so like this. But that's sort of how should I say this? That's the formation that I look for, all right? And that's how I was short. It would just be the opposite. You would just flip this upside down for a long position. That's really it. You wait for confirmation. I put my short in here, stop loss up here, let it ride. If it comes back up and stops me out, it is what it freaking is, all right? That's it. That's it. I don't try to make it too difficult, man. I keep it very, very simple, okay? Yes, I look at the stock RSI to see if it matches up with my trade, okay? If it matches up with my trade, awesome. That's even more confirmation that I like, right? So that's it. That's it. We're not looking at anything too difficult, man. You know? Let's see. What's going on, Keith? Trade Matic tonight on stream. If it does break that neckline, man, I mean, Matic could be a nice one, man. It could be a nice one. Let's see. Where's Matic? So Matic, yeah, Matic's breaking the trend line, man. So here's what I'd say for Matic, bro. And this is totally, guys, this is my strategy. This is not going to work for anyone. Okay? The same thing on Matic. We have this big trend line coming here on the 1 hour time frame. Look at Matic. All right, Bitcoin's probably still coming down too. So that rising wedge has played out once again awesomely. All right, these rising wedges have been freaking awesome, bro. Right? In bear markets, these rising wedges work out so often. So that one worked out fantastically, by the way. And Matic, right? We were expecting this trend line to break at some point. Now here's what I'll wait for Matic. You have this trend line coming up, which means you're breaking the trend. All right? Same type of thing. All right? You can use this on any pattern. Okay? You can use this on any pattern. You're breaking to the downside here. What am I going to wait for? All right? I want to wait for a continuation down. More times than not, it's going to come back up to retest. That's when I put the short position in on the retest. Stop loss above. Let it ride. All right? That's it. That's it. So let's see if it plays out, man. Sometimes it'll take a little bit to play out, but that's sort of what I look at, man. It's the same type of deal. Same type of deal. All right. Non-fungible token. What do you think about the short ETF that was recently launched? I don't really have any thoughts about it, man. It's just another ETF. that's not the spot ETF that we're looking for, right? Until we get that spot ETF that we're looking for. I mean, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Let's see. Did I miss the pump music? You did, man. You did. Now we're getting the move to the downside. You know? Now we're getting that move to the downside. Let's see. Matic about to break. There you go. Let's see. ICP Definity. Oh, Lord. Lord. I see some guy in the chat. Jordan is wrong. Hey, everyone's wrong sometimes, man. Everyone's strategy doesn't work for everyone, you know? And that's the great thing about trading and investing is everyone has a different strategy, and you gotta work it towards what works for you. All right. Now everyone doesn't agree, like Bob. Freaking Christ, man! Jordan's wrong. He's so wrong. God, man, his strategy sucks. Friggin' sucks, man. He's so friggin' wrong. My God, man. I'm gonna go trade myself. This is ridiculous, man. Christ, man. I can't trade. Shit. I can't do anything. I can't do anything right. That's why I'm stuck in this friggin' basement. My friggin' Christ, man. Let me just troll Jordan some more while I'm in my basement. I need some meatloaf right now. Mom, can you put the meatloaf in the oven today? I don't want it in the microwave, okay? I want a good meal today. I don't want it in the... No, I don't want a microwaved meal. I have a microwave meal 6 nights a week, all right? This is my time to shine. Put it in the oven. No, ketchup. Ketchup smothered all on it. The whole bottle. Yeah, the whole bottle. All over it. Yeah, the whole thing. Thank you. Let me troll Jordan some more. Jordan sucks, man. I love people in the chat, man. Listen, guys, I've been streaming for so long, man. Listen, at this point, I just find it funny, man. I just find it funny. It's hilarious, bro. Oh, man. I don't even know how many times I've streamed, man. Probably over... I mean, there's many times I did 2 a day. It's got to be like 700... No, not 7. Nah, it's bad. It's probably got to be pretty close to like 700 times, man. Total. Which is crazy to think about, you know? Which is crazy to think about. I still remember the first one. I still actually, what's funny is I actually went back to the first or second stream I ever did, and I recognized a lot of your names in there. And actually, I did this the other day just to go back and look at some of the old times, and I actually went back to like last summer, and I reckon like everyone that I see in the chat right here, all right, I recognized, and I literally recognized pretty much everyone in the chat that I see right here from about a year ago, which is really, really funny, you know? Which is really funny. Summer fartsicles. Everyone in here, man. For the most part. And, all right. So, AVAX getting rejected. Matic trying to retrace a little bit. Say it's a little bit more like this. Just want to make sure the trend line is updated to the correct level. Maybe when I get off the stream today, I'll do a little bit of short. It's already 8:15. What is this? The Twilight Zone? How is it already an hour and a half? I didn't even know the daily close happened. Dude, I thought it was like 7:30. Holy moly, man. 8:15? You gotta be kidding me, man. All right, whatever. That's kind of sad, actually. I don't like that. All right, let's see. There's no way it's 8:15 right now. I feel like we just zoomed an hour and 50 minutes. Maj, is it actually 8:15? Mm-hmm. Okay, it is. No, it's not. All right, so we got the daily close. Look at that, man. I know, we went on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so the 4-hour, unfortunately, did not close up at the highs, okay? So, sadly enough, right, the Vikings got defeated again, man. So everyone say sorry to the Viking. We got defeated again. It is what it freaking is, all right? It is what it freaking is, man. We have lost another battle. We will be back, and we will fight another war. We lost a lot of great bulls today. But do not fret. We will be back. This is just simply a battle lost. Bulls, get your swords and shields ready, because we will be back to win another fight. We will be back. Until next time, my fellow brethren, we will fight to the death. Now let's go eat some Pringles. There we go. Alright, the war isn't over. We'll be back. We'll win the war, okay? Let's see. Can you restream the Beavis and Butthead movie? You already watch it, Bathwater. I'm on here. Come on, man. Oh, Lord. Whatever happened to Squiggly? Squiggy? Man. I talked to Squiggy a couple months ago. That's the last time I talked to Squiggy. I miss Squiggy, actually. Maybe I'll hit him up, man. I miss Squiggy. Squiggy was the absolute man, if you guys remember Squiggy. Back in the day, man. He was like a huge Cardano whale. And, yeah, I think he's like, I think he's just retired, man. If I'm going to be honest. But yeah, so that's that. Matic still trying to hold this level, so don't get too crazy with Matic just yet. All right, I want to see a little bit more convincing of a dump and a retrace first. All right, Bitcoin's trying to come back up again. Let's see what happens. Remember on these wedge formations, guys, lately they haven't come in all the way back down to the targets. They've been dumping below. All right, that's why it's important to take profits. The move lately has been taking profits at the 50 EMA or whatever time frame you're looking at, taking profits at the 50. That's been the move lately. All right, whenever you're above it, take profits at the 50. All right, something I always try to do. Take at least some, right? 20, 30, 40% off the table, and let the rest ride, and move your stop loss into a profit. You know, that's what I've been doing lately. You know. Let's see. Good point. There you go. How were your chips last night? They were fantastic, Drunk Bear. They were absolutely fantastic. Like, I had barbecue chips. Okay, I had barbecue chips. I had salt and vinegar chips. They were absolutely fantastic. You guys, if you ever are in a mood to have chips, mix salt and vinegar chips with barbecue chips. You're gonna get the sweetness and the saltiness, okay, all together, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, absolutely delicious. So make sure you guys try that. If you guys are gonna, whatever reason, eat 2 chips. Okay, not many people do that, but I'm not a normal person.
Thanks for all you do, Jordan. Drunk bought BTC at 17,600 moddage at 0.35 and axe at 15.00
Let's see.
Saturday.
What's going on, Rod?
So good.
Hey, man, appreciate you for being here, man. That's really it. Drunk bought BTC at 17,600, Matic at 35 cents, and AVAX at $15 Saturday. So far, so good. Nice, Rod. Hey, that's a good DCA. You shouldn't even call that a drunk buy. Okay, that is a great DCA. Holy moly, man. Nice, bro. Matic at 35 cents. I mean, you're already up almost 2x on that. AVAX at $15. You're up about 25% on that. Hey, so far, so good, man. That was a good DCA level anyways. So, nice, bro. I mean, you should probably listen to your drunk self anymore. Maybe you should listen to your drunk self more often, bro. You know, if your drunk self is telling you your DCA, Maybe DCA. I don't know. Maybe that's the way to go. You know? Oh, fear and greed ads. I got you. I got you. We got the fear and greed ads. See, we got the yesterday. We had some like weird shit. Yesterday we had what was the fear and greed ads? Oh yeah, it was like it was something weird, man. Today we just get True Classic tees, no deals. That's how you know it's a recession, man. The True Classic tees cannot afford to put deals on their shirts. So, no deals, guys. It's just they fit like our shirts. Sounds kind of an interesting slogan, but yeah, that's it. I mean, very boring ads today, man. Very, very boring ads, but appreciate you, Ron. Fear and greed is at a 14, so we're coming back up. We're still extremely fearful, right? Nothing's changed, man. We're still extremely, extremely fearful, man. Fuck. Bitcoin's moving up, but there's still a monster in my closet. His name's Savvy. He keeps saying Amazon Fractal. What am I supposed to do? I'm so fearful. I'm scared. Savvy, get out of my closet. You weirdo. You're so friggin' weird. Get your old ass out of my closet, you friggin' oldie. Savvy is in everyone's closet right now, I guess. But all right, what's Matic doing, man? I gotta watch Matic, man, because man, I hope Matic just doesn't dump from here and I miss out on this. Matic, don't do it to me, brother. Don't do it to me, brother. I love you. I love you. I love you. Do not do it to me. Do not let me miss out on the Matic short, man. Because the Matic short will be epic. At least for now. At least for now. We'll see how low it goes. All right. BTC still just chilling. Still holding the 50 EMA. Bitcoin breaks the 50 EMA. I'm expecting altcoins to come back down, guys. You know? Expecting altcoins to come back down if it breaks the 50 EMA. All right? So, keep that in mind. Right now, Matic still just chilling right here. Nothing really crazy going on, man. Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat. It's doing it hard. Let's day trade right now. Open the short. You guys want me to short live just for fun? You guys just want to see me get wrecked, don't you? I know how this works. I know how this works. You guys want me to short live? Okay. All right. All right. I have my thing open here. I don't know if it's gonna work though. Oh, it might work actually. Actually don't know if it's gonna work. Let me see. Actually, I think this shit might work, man. Actually, yeah, this might work. This might work. Let me wait for my entry, and maybe I'll throw a short in, okay? Just for you guys. Just for you guys, maybe I'll throw a short in, okay? So I'm out the closet. If I see my entry, I'm not just going to short for no reason, okay? No peer pressure. No, it's only if I see my entry. If I see my entry, I'll go for it. But right now, nothing brewing for me right now. Nothing brewing for me right now. All right? And really any of these. AVAX, no. Matic, not yet. Bitcoin, not yet. 100x short. Have Bob do it. Oh, I'm blurry? My bad, man. Let me get the blurriness out of here, man. Here we go. Appreciate the shout out, John, for the blurriness. There we go. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. I'll do it too. Don't do it, boss. Stick to the plan. No, it's only if I see my plan play out, right? I won't just do it just to do it, man. That's not the way to go, you know. Yeah, I know how this works. You guys just want to see me get wrecked on stream. I know you do. But the key is you don't get wrecked. You put a stop loss in. You put a stop loss in, you don't get wrecked, okay? Dude, I've been seeing so many people on Twitter like, I lost everything. I lost, and I'm not talking about their like hodl portfolios. I'm talking about their trading portfolios. See some like big traders be like, dude, I just lost everything. I just got liquidated. It's like, dude, stop going 100x. And put friggin' stop losses in, man. Holy moly. I don't do anything higher than 5x. 5x is my limit, okay? 5x is my limit, man. Nothing higher than that. Let's see. Let's all short. We fight together, we die. Oh, Lord. That sounds pretty bad, man. All right, so Matic's continuing down. Guys, like I said, for Matic, I would wait for the move down. All right, this is what I would do. Once again, I would wait for the move down and the retrace back up. But hasn't happened yet, so we're still waiting on that one. Bitcoin, just kind of chilling. Not really much happening like on stream. Like, everything kind of happened earlier today. Lately, that's been happening. Like, we get the moves before the stream, like all day. We see movement. Okay, then during the stream, we don't do shit. Okay, and then when we get sort of past this, when we get after the stream, that's when Bitcoin does its move. Every single time. Every single time. It's crazy. Maybe just because the time that I stream in, you know? Make it 10x. Is it still blurry? No way. Oh, no, we're good. We're good. I look so sunburned. It's crazy, man. Nothing has changed. What's up, Pelagic? Look at this ginger. I look like a carrot.
Why is it so odd?
I kind of like it. Hey, I'm a carrot. I can fix it. There we go. That should fix it. It's weird. I put my hand up to the camera. It fixes it. Someone said maybe it's time for a camera update. It is. I'm actually going to get another one anyways because I want to have two over here. So, yeah, it's about to. It's about to. This one's not bad. For some reason, it just blurs out every now and then, you know? All right. You look like an orangutan. Christ. That's funny, man. You look like you don't care at all? That's a nice joke. You look like you don't care at all. Mm-hmm. All right, let's see. Let me go back over here. KC said, Jordan, you are hilarious. Top 3 altcoins to buy. Read the super chat, KC. I mean, top 3 altcoins. For me, ETH. This is kind of a cop-out answer, man. But, I mean, this is what I would say. I would say Ethereum. If you want to count Ethereum as an altcoin. If you don't want to count Ethereum as an altcoin, I get it, right? Some people don't consider it an altcoin. ETH. Shit, man. This answer might surprise you. And these next 2 answers might surprise you. All right? I'm going ETH, Solana, I actually really like Matic, man. You guys know I was a fan of Matic last year. I would say ETH, Solana, and Matic. I'm still a fan of Cardano. I think people are still sleeping on Cardano, man. I think people are just salty about Cardano because of what I did last year. But last year was one of the best gainers in the bull market. So I would say it's ETH, Solana, Matic, with Cardano probably coming up right behind, man. You know? That's probably what I would say, if I'm going to be honest. Top 3 meme coins. Top 3. ETH is a cop-out. All right, then you can get rid of ETH and put ADA in there, man. You know? Go long? Who's saying go long right now? You could, if that's how you feel. Solid 3? Thank you. ETH needs Matic? Facts. That's why you got to go Matic in there, man. That's why you got to go Matic. And Matic, if you look at when the market moves up, Matic has been one that's just, when the market moves up, Matic always is super volatile to the upside. Always. Always. Last summer to November, it was killing it, man. If you guys remember that. And what I realized is like the ones that kill it when the market recovers, I think they're the ones that kill it. And the ones that I noticed that kill it are, I mean, obviously you see what Matic's doing right now. Matic is, Matic's killing it. I mean, obviously it was very, very deep down, right? But right now it's killing it. And the other one that seems to just hold up decently well, I know people say Solana is trash, but but Solana to me, I think is still a good hold as far as like a longer term coin. I mean, it really is all speculation, man. It really is all speculation. But what Solana can do, I do like. No Link or Dot. No, I still like Link. I still like Dot. They're a little bit farther down the list, you know? A little bit farther down the list.
You got a gem.
You did? Oh, God. Maya just, like, slapped her legs. I thought she was, like, talking shit that I like Link still. I was like, what? No. But, yeah, John, you're right. Every time Link pumps, Bitcoin dumps. You're totally right. But in a bull market, a lot of people are salty about Link because here's the thing about Link. Link was a shady coin last year, man, because Link really pumped in like the beginning of the bull market last year, but really didn't do anything after that. Like if we go to Link, right? Let's go to the weekly. A lot of people forgot that Link was absolutely destroyed in 2020, man. Right? 2020 was Link's year. Right? From March of 2020 to August of 2020. I mean, it went, you guys got to remember, like, Link was a very early mover. And I think people sometimes don't look at, like, the longer term charts and see, all right, why did Link not perform very well in 2021? Okay? Because in 2021 was not the best year for Link, but it was for other altcoins. The reason is because it moved so fast in 2020, man. Right? I mean, it went in March of 2020 to just August. It did almost a 20x in 6 months, man. You know, which a lot of altcoins didn't really move that much this year, right? A lot of altcoins moved a lot in early 2021, right? And really from the whole 2020, it went up 130 to $22. I mean, once again, you talk about a decent move before altcoins even moved, and then it went on to do another 2x after that. So. I think that's why a little people are like, they don't like Link, is because they forget that it moved way earlier than everything else, right? A lot of altcoins did that. A lot of the DeFi coins did that. Like Aave is a good example, right? Aave moved up really quick, right, in December, and then all through January, and then it kind of hang out. Why? Because it went nuts. Went $25 to almost $500 before all the other altcoins started to go nuts, right? And then it kind of consolidated, and that's why people don't like it, right? So it's important to look at context and why things didn't move last year, and not so much, all right, this coin didn't move last year, so it must suck, you know? It's important to look at context. Let's see. Sounds like cheek slapping. Oh, Lord. Link is your grandpa's favorite coin? I disagree with that. Link slowed due to profit taking. How awful. True. Let's see. Love Soul. Nice, bro. No comment. All right, guys. There ain't too much going on. I'm probably going to call it a stream here. Let me just check Matic again. Because Matic's the one I'm eyeing here. Matic is definitely the one I'm eyeing. Let's see. Yeah, Matic. Not too much movement on Matic just yet. It is starting to come back down here. I'm going to wait for the drop. I'm going to wait for the retrace. And then I'll go from there for Matic, right? You guys do what you want to do. All right, guys. I will catch you tomorrow. Actually, it's Saturday. So, actually, I'm going to take the day off tomorrow. If anything's crazy going on, if Bitcoin's going nuts, I'll probably hop on for a stream. But if it's not, all right, I will. I'll catch you guys on Sunday night. All right, Sunday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So see you guys there. All right, have a fantastic Saturday. If I don't see you tomorrow, right? Unless Bitcoin's breaking highs, you probably won't see me tomorrow. I'll probably take the day off. So catch you guys on Sunday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the weekly close. Let's get it. We want to see Bitcoin hopefully try to get back above the 200 SMA on the weekly close. If we don't, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Have a fantastic Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Stay trading, man. Don't panic sell your crypto. Don't do anything I want to do. And don't panic sell your crypto. All right? See you guys. Peace.